Instagram, how you guys doing? I heard the birds singing, so that told me it's time to get up. Know me, Mark Morris, trying to help you. Do not put your money in a bank until you talk to me first. Watch my videos. CDs, $10,000 at 5% only gives you 500. While if you had $20,000 of debt that you're paying 20% interest on, if you do a balance transfer, you have an instant $2,000 in your account because you're no longer paying interest. My goal is to teach you the power of interest. Right now, look, snow is almost off. If you look way in the background, probably can't see it. This is Residence by Marriott. It took so long to build. And then there's another building that went up a lot. Look quicker over there. Circumstance changed. They didn't have to deal with any COVID protocols. Boom, boom, boom. So I'm up, heading to the gym, finished cooking, cleaned the house. Now I'm gonna find out who's got my money. That's all I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe.